Hey, put your hand on the clutch.
You gotta
get hand on that clutch the whole time. Give it a little gas, cause she in first gear. Oh, you come up the clutch too fast. She in gear.
You going to the world's funniest video.
Get off that clutch too fast. You ready to go? Gotta get gas.
Striker, get gas. Get gas.
So when you get it, you ready to ease off. Now we get that ease off the clutch and get a little bit of gas and go. Ease off the clutch and get the gas. Now, push it a little bit. Roll with it and let off the clutch and get a little bit of gas. Hey, you get, now do it like that, you gonna come up now. You gonna do that. Man, don't do that. Sit back there.
Hey.
Yeah, right there. Give the clutch, push the clutch. See, now you press. Hold. I'm coming with you. Now, come off the clutch. Give the gas. I can't come. You're coming too fast. You got to say
damn.
You got to do it like that.
Right here,
car,
on that blue. So, let off the killer slow. Not too slow though, cause bitch, you not spinning.
Don't give it no gas. You flooded her too. She flushed.
She flooded.
You still can start it though.
Let me try.
Yeah, you gotta start her and burn that gas off her.
Get this nigga here.
You let it all the way go. You can't let it all the way go. You gotta get it off of.
Oh, you on a fast one.
You on a fast one.
Twist trying to put him on a fast one.
Get the clutch. Every time you get it like that, then you start going, get the clutch again. Your power. Yeah, you on the fast bike too now.
And I'm playing the weed clutch gas. That front tire need air in it. Smash it down. A little bit.
What's the fuck? Don't give it no gas.
They got a football game over there tonight.
We will see. You ain't no gear, playing gear. You ain't in gear. You coming all the way up without giving it no gear.
I can't, that's the first gear I can't get out of.
Coming all the way up.
Yeah, I can't get that first step on.
You gotta go. You gotta ease off and give it gas. You gotta do it like you do in the car. Now you get frustrated. Now you put too much gas and they come on too fast to go.
All the way.
Then you get to going. Don't let them back in the car.
You gonna walk? Two bite? What they ain't gave up?
You gotta stand up on.
I like going over that hump though. That hump will fuck you
Man, what's poppin'?
Cause you gotta send me that picture of me flipping back.
Look at him. See how he hit the wheel? Well, they whining.
Seems like yesterday we used to rock the show. I laced the track, you locked the flow. So far from hanging on the block for dough. Notorious, they got to know that life ain't always what it seemed to be. Words can't express what you mean to me. Even though you're gone, we still a team. Through your family, I'll fulfill your dreams. In the future, can't wait to see if you open up the gates for me. Reminisce sometime, the night they took my friend. Try to black it out, but it plays again. When it's real, feeling's hard to conceal. Can't imagine all the pain I feel. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you're still living your life after death.